It's not all doom and gloom for everybody. Some drivers out there who are, taking advantage of things or trying different things out. They are working with different apps to be able to manage their business properly instead of just kind of willy nilly going on at certain times. This driver is earning 3x the city average. So yeah,
This is the
can't I mean,
driver on our last behind the wheel, Todd from
mhm.
Massachusetts, Cape Cod. I mean, go watch it. I think how many people so far watched it? 8,000, 7,000, whatever. Smart guy in IT. He drives about 30, 40 hours a week. On top of that, he enjoys what he's doing. He's smart as a whip,
Oh,
and
he's
he
in
knows
here
what he's doing. You know?
right here.
Yeah, there you go. Hey, Todd F. right there. And he did a wonderful job on that interview. And please go watch it, Behind the Wheel. This week's Behind the Wheel is going to be an interesting Behind the Wheel, Chris. I'm not going to give it up, but that's it. It's going to be a really interesting one. So Todd is doing well, according to Solo, which we like here by far, one of the best apps out there, third-party apps to keep
Mhm.
track of your miles, to keep track of your taxes, to keep track of your expenses, and it tells you how you're doing in your city, right? Because look, we're solitary people as gig drivers. We don't talk to other drivers other than when you guys are here. You just yell and scream at each other. Here, um, I mean, look, there's no ifs and buts about it. You know, Cape Cod averages $17 and change. This guy's banging at 41. I'm like, don't give up your secrets, Todd. But kudos, my hat's off to Todd right there. And these are all the apps he's on: Uber, Lyft, and Uber Eats combined. Um, I mean, what is there to say? He's in the best state to drive in to start with. He knows his market, right? Inside out. He hits the best hours probably to drive. And look, go watch the interview. He's there. He told you guys the secret. So yeah, download the Solo app. I mean, it's in the show notes. And this is from his Solo app. And Todd uses a couple extra different apps as well. But Solo is one that he uses, and we recommend Solo highly to everybody.
Yeah. I mean, not only that, what's nice is though, you kind of need help with managing a business, whether you have your own business or even rideshare. You need something like that. And it just helps you get more information. And as Sergio and I always say, more information is going to make you more informed, which means you're going to be able to use that information. And if you use it properly, you can earn more. Not only that, I don't know about you, but for me, I'm pretty competitive. And so I like to see how I am compared to the other drivers in my area. So I like that little breakdown that it has. So you can actually
Yeah.
see what you are doing compared to the others. So I mean, one of the things too is it's kind of a wake-up call in my opinion. So if you're a
Oh,
driver
yeah.
who's making the 1723 or less,
That's
you're
before
making less than
expenses.
the average, or even let's say in this case from 17 to 22 or something, there's definitely work that can be done for you to be able to make more money. Maybe
Well,
you're
look,
strapped on time when you can go out, so you can't necessarily go out and take advantage of certain times when other drivers could potentially go out and do that.
yeah.
But there's a lot of things that you can do in order to make more informed decisions when it's a better time to go out. And these averages and this information is going to come to you and it's going to help you choose and make better decisions behind the wheel, whether it's uh you know times to go out, whether it's how you're doing, whatever it might be. But I like that. I like that little extra ad there when it shows you how much you're making compared to your average. So you can be like, oh, I'm doing really good. I'm making 3x or I'm making 2x or whatever
Well,
it might be that you might be doing. So
I mean, like in our surveys, right? It's over and over. It's proven the bottom 10% drivers in a city, same city, okay, and top 10% of drivers is like 2 or 3x difference. Okay, we're doing the same shit. We're just picking up, dropping off. Yes, the days they may work could be different, but in general, the bottom 10% is just doing whatever they do and not changing, not adapting. And I'm sure Todd wasn't born doing 41.56 an hour. And he's not like this a week after week, by the way. He's not. This is not just 1 week that we're showing you guys. But what we're trying to show you is that there are third-party apps that are beneficial to you that will show you. I mean, look, reality check, 1723 before expenses, Chris. Okay.
Mhm.
And I mean, then you're down to $5-6 an hour, 7. You're down to $10, $11, $12 an hour. I don't know in Massachusetts about minimum wages, but I'm assuming it's way under the minimum wage of Massachusetts, and you're putting wear and tear on your car. So, I mean, stop doing it. Other than that, or use apps like this, improve yourself, learn, watch us, watch Behind the Wheel, watch Todd. I mean, hey, he's human.
Yep.
He's doing it. He's not an outlier, like Uber will call it. But anyway, so yeah, sure, it's in the link. Link is in the show notes. Please go do it. I have it. The other thing Solo has, by the way, you guys, they have guarantees now. They'll tell you you should be making this much in these 3-hour pocket. If you don't, they're gonna give you the money, and the money that you didn't make. I mean, who the heck is gonna guarantee you income? Seriously. I mean, in what world, right?
Mhm.
And now some of you are going to say, yeah, but those are lowball numbers. You will always make more. Well, I don't know. But looking at 1723, that's not really that appetizing to me. I wouldn't be working for 1723. But anyway, so
Yep.
yeah, please take advantage of these apps.
But for everybody who does have the average versus what you're averaging, we want to know your screenshots too, just to see
Yeah,
how you're doing compared to your city's average. Because
definitely.
one, Sergio is collecting information and he likes information, but this can also go a little bit further on breaking down that information. And then, hey, maybe we'll use that for a giveaway in the future. Just spitballing here, so don't quote me. But yeah, if you got the Solo app, you know what? Here, I'm going to put it in the link or in the chat for you if you don't have it. And then you can download it and then get your averages and see how you're doing stacked up compared to your city. And send us your screenshots of how you're doing, and let's see what you're doing there.
Yeah, absolutely. So kudos to Todd. Hats off.
Yeah, that was a good behind the wheel too. So
Yeah,
check that out after the show ends. Make sure you go over there and check that out too.
yep,
Watch the video if you haven't.
definitely do it. Learn from the best. We put up the best there. We put up successful drivers there. It's not all negative. There are people who are making money. Again, it's market specific, but then, the driver has a lot to do with it. The specific driver who knows what they're doing in any city will do 2x more than the bottom feeder, bar none. It doesn't matter what kind of market you're in. So, yeah, anyway.
All right, thanks for watching. That short little clip was from our live stream, Show Me the Money Club with Sergio and myself, Tuesdays, 6 p.m. Eastern, 3 p.m. Pacific. Make sure you subscribe, turn on all notifications so you'll be notified when we go live, as well as all of our awesome content. Make sure to check out this video right here, which will take you to the entire live stream, or check out this video right there. All right, drive smart, everyone.